Anugerah Bonda, founded in 2018 by Puan Salmah Majapar, has grown into a renowned organization selling a variety of sambals. Originally operating in Sepang, Selangor, the company moved to Kallang Perlis in 2023. Their goal is to be the top sambal paste seller, offering high-quality sambals at reasonable price. They aim to be preferred choice for flavor enthusiasts in Malaysia, enhancing everyday moments with authentic and memorable dining experiences. Operating twice a week with 10 dedicated workers, Anugerah Bonda offers 8 sambal types including sambal tomis, sambal balado, sambal hitam and more. This sambal come in two sizes, which is big and small, with price ranging from 7 ringgit to 20 ringgit. The company's sambal are not only reasonable price but also versatile. Customers can easily reheat the paste and pair it with various ingredients like eggs, fish, chicken, making it flexible and convenient option, particularly for busy individuals with limited time to prepare meals. Anugerah Bonda strives to simplify the cooking process for its consumers, providing a quick and tasty solution for their meals.
So hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Isdina Fartini binti Muhammad Khairuddin, and I will present about identification of the problem and recommendation to overcome the problem to the table. So basically, the company has struggled to maintain track of all data and information using the present system. This is due to the company's use of a manual method to record agent, stock and supplier data, and making it difficult to locate the information when needed. So our recommendation is, in order to company to stay organized, by using table are essential database object because they contain all the information or data. For example, a company database may have a contact table that includes the customer name, the email, addresses and phone number of the customer. So that's all from me. I will pass to next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Farish Rizkin Akla bin Mohamed Saleh. My matric number is 2023 305 555. So today I will talk about the problem in queries with using Microsoft Access and recommendation to overcome the problem. So problem in queries is incorrect usage leads to error or unwanted result in queries. Error that often occur in Access are incorrect syntax. Each function has a specific syntax for argument and parentheses. Error here cause problem. For example, sum order total over quantity instead of sum order total and quantity. Next, incompatible data types. Function expect specific data types and using incorrect types leads to error and incorrect calculation. For example, using a text field with average instead of a numeric field. Wrong context is also one of the common mistakes. Using aggregation function of such as sum outside of the group contact procedure unexpected result. For example, using sum order total without a group by clause. So now I will move to the recommendation to overcome the problem. So Microsoft Access has a lot of unique data such as tables, queries, form and report. Microsoft Access often has unwanted problems with queries in design view. Among them are typos or error in SQL code. SQL is a structured query language. Is the language used to communicate with relational database like Access. It has a specific set of rules and structure to ensure accurate data retrieval and manipulation. For example, SQL have store keywords such as select, from and where. So the next one is the resulting missing field. The query will not return the desired data if an important field is not specified. Make sure all required fields are included in a select clause. For example, query meant to display customer names and order but omitting the orders field. The operator is missing. Without an operator, the logic of a query becomes incomplete or ambiguous. For example, query designed to find product over 50 ringgit but missing the off operator. Using the appropriate operators to correctly connect field, value and criteria. Criteria that are not in a queries may return to many or unrelated record without filtering condition. For example, query filtering for customer in a specific city but lacking a where clause in a city criteria. Using the where clause to specify criteria to refine the result. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kamal Hassan bin Zamri. My student ID is 2023399739. Today, I would like to share with you about identification problem for forms. Is it true that inconsistent formatting can make it difficult to recognize and distinguish between various form elements? For instance, user may find it challenging to rapidly recognize and comprehend the function of various form components if font styles, size and colors are inconsistent. Establishing a consistent formatting scheme that guarantees clarity and ease of identification is crucial to solving this issue. You can design a form that is more unified and user-friendly by remaining a consistent set of font styles, size, colors, alignment and spacing. This will make it easier for users to recognize and interact with the form various elements. Always remember to thoroughly test your form to make sure the formatting is consistent on various device and view modes. This will guarantee a smooth user experience and reduce any possible misunderstanding brought on by inconsistent formatting. For recommendation or solution for forms, first and foremost, it's crucial to carefully go over each form and find any formatting incorrectly that might be present. Examining components like font, size, color, alignment and spacing is part of this. Once these inconsistencies have been located, you can correct them by using the formatting tools found in Microsoft Access Design View. Microsoft Access offers a variety of formatting options that you can take advantage of to maintain consistency throughout your form. You can adjust font, color, alignment and other visual elements to create a cohesive and organized look. By using this option, you can ensure that your form not only looks great but also provides a user-friendly experience. In addition to the built-in formatting option, you can also create your own custom styles or utilize pre-designed templates. This allows you to establish a consistent formatting scheme that align with your preference or organizational standard.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam Afiq bin Muhammad Azli and my student ID is 2023399777. Today I'm going to present about report in Microsoft Access. Okay, for the problem is to identify trend and patterns. Reports can be used to group and filter data, making it easier to spot trends and patterns that might not be obvious when looking at raw data. This can be helpful for tasks such as identifying which products are selling the best or which customers are most profitable. Okay, for the recommendation, the report feature in Microsoft Access is used to show and arrange data in a structured and visually appealing manner. Reports provide various advantages to users, making them an important component of database management system. To improve the functionality of grouping, sorting, subtotals and totals in Microsoft Access reports, it is best to first define the precise analytical goals. Define the grouping and sorting criteria that correspondent to the insight you want to get from your data. When merging subtotals and totals, use the appropriate field carefully to provide a true summary that addresses the essential components of your research. Consider using Excess numerous formatting options to improve the visual representation of your summary information, making it more accessible and interpretable for users. As your data evolve, check and update your grouping and summary tactics on a regular basis to ensure that your reports remain relevant and meaningful. Finally, spend time training users on how to utilize these capabilities effectively, allowing them to conduct detailed analysis and make well-informed decisions based on the summary data shown in Access report.
Before using Microsoft Access, Anugerah Bonda has been having a problem, which is the duplication of data, which is the many data entries share similarities like names, locations, and order amounts, making it challenging to access and update the data manually. So retrieving the information takes a long time. So what is the overcome or the recommendations for the problem? With using the Microsoft Access in a relational database, relationships prevent duplicate data. For example, managing customer details from different regions involves creating a table for orders and another for additional customers information. To ensure the data accuracy, we establish referential integrity between tables. This enables efficient querying and reporting by connecting key columns like the primary key in one table to the foreign key in another. For instance, to track sample sales, we link the customer order table's primary key to the sales table quantity sample order column.
In conclusion, the adoption of Microsoft Access has been instrumental for Anugerah Bonda in overcoming manual data management challenges. The transition to a structured database system has streamlined information recording and retrieval, markedly improving overall operational efficiency. Utilizing tables, queries, forms, reports, and relationships has brought a systematic and organized approach to data handling. Beyond resolving issues of data duplication and inconsistent formatting, Microsoft Access has been enforced referential integrity and established logical relationship between tables, ensuring the data accuracy. This strategic move not only addresses current challenges but positions Anugerah Bonda for sustained growth, providing a fundamental tool of maintaining data consistency, accessibility, and integrity. The company can now adeptly analyze trends, generate meaningful reports, and flexibly adapt to the evolving landscape of the sambal products market, showcasing a commitment to operational excellence. Thank you.